Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. And today's video we are going to be perming our lashes. The reason I did this was because I always struggled with my straight lashes, you know, having to curl them before I apply my fake lashes, and it was just a big ass hassle and I was just so over it. So I decided to perm my lashes with this item that I got from Amazon under $30. If you guys don't know how expensive lash perming is, Google it, because that's just like $100. But I mean, it does include like the lash tint, which I'm not mad about. So if you guys want to see how the little lash perm works, or if it even worked to begin with, was it even worth me spending $30? I don't know. You guys are just gonna have to continue watching this video. So here is the lash lift that I got from Amazon. I will set the link down below. Okay, so these are the things that it comes with. It comes with the lash adhesive, the perming, the fixation, nutrition, and cleanser. It also comes with cleaning tools and lift pads, small, medium, medium 1, medium 2, and a large size. And here is the directions for the use. You guys can just, you know, pause the screen so you guys can see the directions. And here are my lashes. As you guys can see in the ends of my lashes, there's not really a separation between my top lash and my bottom lash, and that's what made it really difficult for me to curl my lashes with the curler. Maybe I got a sucky eyelash curler. And the things that you need that are not included in the lash lifting kit would be Q-tips, and you would also need a spoolie, and you're also going to need cotton pads for the cleanser. So as you guys can see, the small has a little lump, the medium has a medium-sized lump, and so on. The large has a large-sized lump. So like I said, if you want to curl your eyelash, go with the small. So right now I basically applied lash adhesive to the back side of the pad and just stuck that onto my eyelid. I'm using the size small, by the way, because I really wanted to get the most out of my curls. So I can open my eye, but I don't want to force it because I feel like the insides are going to come out. But yeah, so I am sticking, I washed my eyelashes before doing this. Now I'm just sticking the lash glue onto the little pad, and then I'm going to apply it to the outside and just stick my lashes to the pad. Just waiting for that to set. I just really want to get this done. It's like 9 o'clock at night right now. But I am very excited to curl them. This is going to be my first time curling them. And now I'm just going to apply the adhesive. Hopefully the inside is like down. I hope so. Doesn't seem like it is. So I'm going to apply the adhesive onto the pad. And what I'm gonna use to apply this is this little spoolie. I'm just going to kind of just, hopefully it's like, you know, semi-dry on there. So because of my powerful editing skills, I made it look like I was able to glue down my lashes onto the pad super easily, but trust me, that was not the case. It was so hard. I actually ended up applying lash adhesive to the pad and also my eyelashes. And we're just gonna be playing around with this, really, because I feel like this is like a very important step. This is the way your lashes are going to curl, I feel. So I really, really want to get this perfect. If anything, I'll just go back in and curl them again. I think for now though, hopefully I'm going to go ahead and put on the little perm, which is this little bottle right here. It smells like the NARS hair remover. Oh my god, it smells so freaking bad. Imagine if it was a prank and they sent me the fucking NARS. So as you guys can see, the cotton on the Q-tip was falling apart, and what I did to prevent it from stabbing me in the eye was basically do circular motions to keep it in its shape. So as you guys can see in this video, there is a lot of close and personal space being broken. You guys can see all of my growing out hairs. I do want to let you guys know that I actually do shave my eyebrows, and I also do shave my sideburns as well as my baby hairs. And the reason for that is because I tended to break out in those areas, and I just feel like I like a very clean canvas, so that is why I do it. I'm gonna go in one more time. I'm gonna put this on top. I'm pretty sure it's gonna make the process a lot more faster, so I might have to stop like at 8 minutes instead of 12. It feels so warm. I don't think that's healthy. And I basically left the perm on for 8 minutes in total, 4 minutes with the pad on top of my eye, and another 4 minutes by itself, just, you know, chilling and stuff. And then after this, I'm basically going to do the fixation for another 8 to 12 minutes, and then I'm gonna do the nutrition and then cleanser. I'm not really sure what the fixation is one is for, but they said to put it on. I guess it kind of helps the perm. I'm not sure. Right now I'm doing the fixation 12 minutes. I'm gonna leave the pad on for like let's say 8 minutes, and then the rest I'm probably just gonna let it chill, because you know, wrapping this type of things like just makes the process go a lot faster. Heat makes it go a lot faster. I could even feel the pad warming up. So just to be safe, because these are my eyelashes, I'm gonna go ahead and just do it a little bit like of a half time, and then, you know, let it do its thing the rest of the way. I feel like the hardest part was just applying the lash glue onto my lashes. So I am done. Now I'm gonna go ahead and grab my nutrition, which is the green one, and just kind of loosen up my little hairs with it. So I mean, they did curl, like this is like a natural curl. I was getting kind of scared. I thought it was gonna be like super like straight up, but I mean, it looks kind of cute. It's like, I guess it kind of calmed down in a way, because you guys know how I was using 2 pads. I might do that for the other eye a lot more longer than this one, because it wasn't like the curliest I wanted it to be. But I mean, at least these ones are like kind of up now, which is like something that I was really wanting to this little thingy to do for me. So I'm gonna go ahead and just put some of that cleanser on this little pad. Look how sticky my lid still is. So these are my lashes now. I do see a difference, but I mean, these ones I recently did right now. I just like cleaned them up and stuff, so they still look a little bit like fresh. But these ones, I mean, they still got the curl in them. Like, they're super cute still. They're very subtle, like it was a subtle curl. You know how I was using 2 of the little paddings? One to go below the eyelash and one to go above it. I feel like that really helped as well. But I thought I was gonna come out with super curly lashes, you know? So they are gonna be a lot easier to like curl, because I'm still gonna have to curl them. Or maybe not, I'm not sure. But like, at least I see a little gap there now, because back then there wasn't really a gap there. It was just like straight down, and that's what made it super hard to curl my top lashes. My bottom ones would kind of get in the way of my top ones, and it was just super annoying. Yeah, and by the way, I broke out recently right here for some reason. It's probably because of stress or something. When my lashes were straight and I put on mascara, my lashes would kind of do a little oomph. So definitely, I think by putting mascara on these ones, they are going to become a little bit more like oomph oomph, you know? It's a cute little curl moment. I'm not mad about it. So these are my lashes with mascara. Oh my god, I am so obsessed. I am in love. They look so pretty. You guys have no idea what a big difference it did. Like a little curl, but that little curl just made a big difference. Not gonna lie, like, I just love this subtle curliness. Like, I probably did it wrong. I probably did the whole you know, my background, I probably did the whole process a little, you know, bad, because like the lash glue, you know, my lashes weren't sticking to the lash glue or anything. So I was actually really happy that I didn't have to curl my lashes today applying these lashes. as you guys saw in the video, they didn't really curl all that good. I probably didn't do it the best I could have, but this is the result. I did not curl my lashes today for this makeup look. I usually have to curl my lashes, but today, like, I didn't have to. All I did was apply mascara, and it just made it, like, I just hate using an eyelash curler, so this was honestly, like, worth it for me. Cause, like, it did lift my lashes up. Like, right now, like, you can see the ends, like, just kind of drooping, right? I don't like that, but at least the rest of my lashes are not, like, you know, straight and just, like, separating from my fake lashes, which would obviously be a big deal. And yeah, so hopefully you guys like this tutorial. I did get these lashes from Thrifty Lashes. And these are in the style Crystal. Oh my god, I'm so obsessed with these lashes. These lashes are very, like, I think I bought this whole little lash bundle for like $32, and I'm obsessed. I honestly love their lashes. So if you guys want to go get them, go get them. I'll set the link down below, you know. And I will see you guys next time. Bye.